La dee da da da. Ooh, bello, bello. Ichi kuchu kushuki banana. Banana. A banana. Subiga. Banana? See. Banana. My banana. My banana. My banana. My banana. Our banana. Banana. And banana. See. Banana. Banana? I don't think it wants a banana. Me too. Banana? What? Where's the banana? I don't know. And so that was my little video of showing my 3 new minions and my stuffed animal minion. I got it at Walmart a long time ago, but yeah, I don't know how they speak, so I just came up I just said banana and bellow, like 2 real words that they say, but some other words are kind of English and kind of their language. Well, I don't know really. But it's really funny. So it kind of made me cough a little bit because I was like, banana. So, yeah. It makes me cough when I talk like that. So I was trying to cover it if you heard. But, yeah. So let me show you all 3 of my new minions. And I only need 3 left, which is exciting. I really want all 12. So I think I have 9. Yeah, I have 9 if I need 3 more. So this is the orange one with the bone. And I saw on the news that he said bad words, but he doesn't. It doesn't sound like a bad word to me, so I don't want to say it because, yeah, but he doesn't. It's just the way he does it. Because it's just Minion language. I read it on the paper what he says, so. That was one that said, pal, you bit. I forgot because I threw the papers and things away. And that was a laugh. That's what people think is a bad word, but it's a laugh. And that's But yeah, he says 3 things. He was about to say it again, but he's like a crude. He reminds me of the Crudes. Yeah, something like that. So the next one is a purple vampire. He's so cute. I love that part of the movie when he comes out. That was a laugh. You could tell that was a laugh. That was a laugh. So all he says, basically, he laughs 2 different ways, like ha 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 or ha 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 ha. But they're both different, and then he says ta-da. Whoa. But he could stand on his own. And so can this orange guy, I think. No, the orange guy can't. But not on the carpet. This one can, too. But there he is. And then the last one I'm going to show you, this was the one with the pyramid, like the triangle pyramid. He's so cute. So let's turn him on and see what he says. Okay. Oh, he says bun cake. Like B-A-N, but band cake instead of pancake. So that's what he says. The pancakes is so cute. They say a lot of B words like banana, bellow, and pancakes. Alright guys, so that's all 3 of my new minions. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was about only 5 minutes and 15 seconds. So, hope you enjoyed. Bye.